Welcome back to Turner's Tutoring. I'm Mr. Turner, and I have our tech video for Tech Tuesday today. We are going to be going into Whiteboard like I promised, and doing a short little intro to it. This is Microsoft Whiteboard, and this is one that I've been using for quite some time because in the school district that I work for, we have Teams available to us, so we already have a Microsoft account, which made it really easy for me to transition over. And that's the thing, it's if you have access to it, it's really easy to use, and it's a really good tool and resource. If you don't have Microsoft, I think you can make an account to use this. I'm not sure if it's free or not though. But let's go ahead and get into the basics of this. As you can see, I've got tons and tons of whiteboards already set up. I'm going to go ahead and click New Whiteboard, and let's look at a few of these tools. And these are the ones that I like to use myself. You have templates here that you can make for whatever projects you're doing. So if you're looking for a graphic organizer as a teacher, I'm sure they have a ton of those. I'm not going to specifically go into that because the main gist of this, of what I want to show, is the beginning stuff, which is the marker / writing tools and then the erasers. So you have a limitless amount of space on this whiteboard that if you were to go and click the hand and move it around, you could create different boards that you go and hide and then uncover based off of what you want to show, especially if you're doing it on the board itself, over the projector, over a smart board, whatever it may be. You can show certain parts and so on and so forth. You've got the select tool, which selects things, and then you've got the writing tool, which has a bunch of different things. You have 3 different pens that you can auto set up. So if you already have it selected, you click it, and then it gives you the settings for that specific pen that you want to use. I like green, as you all know, so I've got that one set up for green. And then if I'm doing a tool, and then if I just want to have fun with it and show a few things, I've got the galaxy tool. The next thing is highlighter, and as with all of this, it's the same thing. If you click on it, it's like a double click, but it's more so you have it selected and then you click it again. Then you can choose what highlighting tools. So there is a text feature that if you were to add text, then you can go back behind and highlight it. Or I use this a lot for math problems like we did for the math video. You could go in and you could highlight it, the feature that you wanted. Laser pointer I don't really use, but it's basically like it leaves a trail behind. You can use it to point at things, draw focus of your students or whoever is watching your presentation while you work, and so on and so forth. Now the eraser tool is the important part. As you go, you can change it. There are other things, and this is the thing, the entire stroke or partial stroke. So partial is just you erase what's within the block. Entire means that while you held down the mouse or while you held down your pen on the screen, it's going to erase that entire thing. So just be careful with what you're using. So that all being said, I can go in, and I've got a touch screen, so I'm going to use the touch screen. I can write things, and you see how I didn't lift it up? That would be one stroke, like I was saying, and so on and so forth. So you can use it to write out things. You can go back on it like an undo button, which is a quick feature for writing, or you can do the eraser tool and so on and so forth. I'm pretty sure that's it for the beginning part. Like I said before, I use it majorly for math, which it's a really good whiteboard for math. It's not as simplistic if you're wanting to input other stuff, but you can, if I'm not mistaken, advanced tools is you can input an actual document and then use your highlight features, especially if you wanted to do guided reading for this and so on and so forth. Well, that is it for our Tech Tuesday, our tool for today being Microsoft Whiteboard. Thank you guys for joining me, and I wish you a wonderful rest of your day. This is Mr. Turner with Turner's Tutoring, asking you, if you have not subscribed yet, to please take a moment to do so. Have a great one.